Hi, I'm Alia. So today I want to teach you how to say bless you and cheers in Slovenian language. So let's say someone sneezes or you are just trying to celebrate something, so you have some drinks and you say cheers. What we say is na zdravje. So for both situations you would say na zdravje. Zdravje means health, na means for or on, but in this case, right, na zdravje means for health. Alright, so let's say someone sneezes, you can say na zdravje. Or if you have some drinks, right, and you want to say cheers, you also say na zdravje. And how you can remember this word is by the words in English, nice driveway. So driveway, right? Nice driveway. It kind of sounds like na zdravje. So I hope this video might be useful to you. Let me know in the comments below if you have any other ideas for a video I should do next. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye bye!